The Bethel Rocket Club is a place where students from all disciplines, but mainly engineering and physics, can come to put their skills to real life applications and have fun launching rockets, laughing with each other, and building something cool.
It's a challenge. Like, it's not easy to put rockets up in the air, and we are able to do it. Winning last year at the Midwest competition, like, it was just like, it really was the culmination of the year's hard work.
Yeah, so we've competed in the NASA Space Grant Midwest High Power Rocketry competition the past 3 years. We've won it every year since we were founded back in 2021. And with that, we've also grown the club. Every year we've doubled in size. We started with 3 members, and 2 years ago we had 7, and then 16, and now over 30 members from majors across the Bethel. Now that we've kind of developed our skills over the past 3 years and we've proved ourselves, now we're trying to compete in the International Rocket Engineering Competition.
And the third year, it felt like we were putting together our skills, and we felt like a real team that was ready to go, which is why we're moving up to compete in this IREC competition, because we feel like we refined our skills well enough to be able to handle this international worldwide competition.
The goals of the international competition are fly to as close to 10,000 feet as possible.
Donations are huge for the club because we can't do any of this without funding. We can't put rockets in the sky. We can't get people engaged in rocketry or even engineering as a whole. It's one of the ways at Bethel where we can get young engineers to be hands-on and really put their skills to use.
Donations to the club are opportunities. Every time we get donations that come through the door, we get some sort of funding. It gives us a chance to give our students a better experience. This year, that means we get to bring more people down to the IREC competition, which is usually down south, and we're up in Minnesota, so it's a long trip for us.
Having an expensive rocket, this is going to be the most complex rocket we've ever built. It's going to be the biggest rocket we've ever built.
Electronics on the rocket, which allows us to predict and also blows charges for a safe, successful flight, also is very expensive.
It is a bunch of students that are interested in aerospace, at least at the high power level, whether they go on and do aerospace careers, but at least right now it gives them a chance to do some hands-on fabrication, stuff that they probably haven't had a chance to do. So I'm hoping that that's what the Rocket Club can be.